Hi guys, welcome to Lady P's channel, 50 and Fabulous. I'm going to start off with my topic on waist trainers. I kind of introduced a little bit in my last week's video. However, I wasn't really prepared to do this week, but people have been text messaging me, calling me, messengering me, hey, when are you going to put out the waist trainer video? So here we are. So as I stated before, when I first started, my waist was a 39, and now I'm at a 31 and a half. Here's my waist, nothing on. So I'm going to go over with you today on the different types of waist trainers, also sweat vests, and different garments that make you sweat versus what shapes your body. And then after the video, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to message me. I will definitely get back to you immediately. But first, ladies, please hit that subscribe button below. So here we go. I'm going to start off with my bag of tricks, okay? I'm going to start off with sweat vests, okay? And I have plenty of them. Plenty of them. When I initially started, I had no idea of what garments to use versus what garments were good and bad. I started off when I started going to the gym. I said, oh, well, you know what? Let me get a sweat vest. That's going to help me sweat, right? And yes, it absolutely helped me sweat. This is a size extra large. I started off in a extra large, right? Of course, it no longer fits. This is a garment that I got from Amazon, and I believe it was like $29. Of course, I didn't know any better at the time, so $29 didn't seem like much to invest for me. So I invested the $29. Yes, when you put this on, it will definitely make you sweat. However, you're going to need to do some hard cardio to see a good sweat. This is not, it will not shape and form or resculpt your body. It will make you sweat. So yes, did I lose weight with this? I absolutely did. So that is a sweat vest that came from Amazon. The next vest, and when I say that I have invested lots of money in these sweat vests, this is an extra large. This too is similar, however, it has a zipper as opposed to the snaps. So, or I'm sorry, hooks. So this has a zipper, and then from the zipper, it also has the Velcro. So once you have it on, you can pull it even tighter to help you sweat. Now, I did not wear this without some type of camisole or t-shirt underneath because you can kind of expose yourself and you don't want to do that. This one came from Walmart, and it was $9.99. $9.99. So did it do the same job as this one? Absolutely. However, it was cheaper. I thought it was going to do something better or different because it had the additional wraparound, which has the Velcro. So although it was an extra large and I was losing weight, I still could put the vest on and I would put the Velcro tighter, but because I was losing weight here, this portion became to be too large. So I could no longer use this one. Did it work? Yes, it helped me sweat. Now, this vest, I had the exact same identical vest. This one too came from Walmart. After I learned that I can get a cheaper product that would do the same job, I began to get these type of sweat materials from Walmart. This too was, I would think it was $19.99, but I had purchased it on sale, and I believe I paid something like $11.99 for it. Now, I started off on an extra large with this. When I first started, was an extra large. As I was losing the weight, I could no longer fit it, especially in my bust and underarm area, or what you would call your rolls, your back fat. My back fat started to reduce. So now this one is a medium. I'm now wearing a medium, and I do still use this. I use this when I go to the gym. I have many other vests and also garments that will help me sweat as well as reshape my waist, and we'll go through that. But this is my go-to because what I do, ladies, when I wear this vest, and I wear this at least twice a week, usually on a Monday and a Wednesday. When I do that, I wrap. I absolutely wrap. I wrap at least twice a week. So I wrap with Saran Wrap, and I use Albolene cream. Now, there are lots of expensive items out there that will claim to help you sweat more when you wear these type of garments. This is $9.99, and it came from Walmart. It also, you can find it in Walgreens and CVS, and it's called Albolene, okay? Albolene cream. It's clear, it does not have a smell. You rub it all over the areas in which you want to increase sweat. So I usually all around my waist, I put it on. But I'll go over this in an additional video at a later date. But this is great, guys. So I do this along with the sweat vest twice a week. Okay, now let's get into the goodies. Now we're going to start talking about shaping your waist. In order to shape your waist, you are going to have to invest in a garment that has metal boning in it. Metal boning. And what that is, if you can see this is metal boning inside this vest. So the material is very smooth. It's sort of like, almost like a foam type of feeling on the inside, so that helps you to sweat. But it also has the Velcro here. So you put Velcro here and here. Then it has additional straps on the side, and you can pull it to make your waist even smaller as you begin to get that form and lose the weight. Now this came from Amazon. This is Yiani. I hope that I'm pronouncing it correct. This is a great product. I love the product. I believe I paid like $29, $29.99 on Amazon. One thing is great about Amazon is when you order for them, you get that product in like 2 to 3 days. And if you are Amazon Prime, you can get it the next day. So I love this. So great product, great product. It does have the metal boning. The metal boning, what it does, it sucks you in, it keeps you tight, it keeps you lean, and it starts to form your waist. Your waist, underneath your arm of your bust, on your back fat, all the way down to your actual waist. But ladies, I gotta say, please do not think by any means that by wearing this garment or this garment and not changing your eating habits, you're gonna lose the weight and you're gonna have a smaller waist, because that's just not gonna happen. Now, as I stated before, I began my weight loss journey back in the end of February, beginning of March, right before COVID. I also started the keto diet. So along with my diet change, exercise, and waist training is how I was able to lose 33 pounds in almost 3 months, still losing, and also go from a waist size of 39 to a 31. So it has taken me about 5 months to get to that point. Now, I haven't measured myself in the last, let's say, month or so, and I don't measure myself or weigh myself on a regular basis. I'm not very concerned about the weight on the scale. I'm concerned about the shaping and the structure of my body and the size clothes I wear, okay? So that's Yiani. It is a good product to invest in, especially if you're on a budget. It does work. Yiani. Now, ladies, I'm going to tell you this. And I want to say, all of these products that you see, that I'm showing you now, I have invested with my own money, my own dollars and cents. I am not sponsored by anyone at all. I'm just telling you what products work for me versus what products did not work for me. Now, this, ladies, this is the real deal. This is Luxe Curves. It's by Luxe Curves, okay? And as you see, it has the hooks. It has 3 rows of hooks, hook eyes, right? So when you first begin to put this garment on, I'm gonna warn you, you're not gonna be able to get it on. You are going to need assistance in getting this garment on. I started off in an extra large. An extra large. This is now a medium, but I started off in an extra large. My husband had to help me get in this. And I don't mean help me. We laid on the bed. He pulled and tugged at each end just to get it in the first hook. The first hook. So if you purchase this and you're able to put this on by yourself, you're able to put it on without a struggle, then you have the wrong size. So let's talk about the hooks and the rows. So when you first put it on, you're gonna need help getting to the first row. When you graduate from the first row to the second row, that's an inch that your waist has shrunk. When you graduate from the second to the third hooks, you have a total inches loss of 3 inches. Wow. Now, for me, I chose to wear this. This I wear underneath my clothes. I wear this every single day for 8 to 12 hours. The reason I love Luxe Curves is because the material on the outside is so silky smooth, right? You can wear this under your clothing, and I wear professional garments to work, and this is so undetectable. You don't even know that I have it on. It has the boning around the entire garment. Around the entire garment. I'm gonna tell you, when you first put this on, you're gonna feel like someone is sucking the life out of you. So when you do put it on, I suggest, as the directions are, is to wear it for about 1 to 2 hours for the first couple of days, and then you graduate to 4 hours, and then you go on to 6 and 8 and so on. However, like I said, I wear this for 8 to 12 hours a day. There is not a day that I do not wear a garment. The only time I am garment free is when I'm going out, and of course I want to show my new shape, and I'm not wearing anything. But for at least 20 hours a day, I am wearing a garment. This, I can't say enough about Luxe Curves. Luxe Curves, I believe, is the best garment out there on the market that you can invest in, and it is an investment. It's about $69.99, and I've already purchased 3. $69.99. You might be able to catch it on sale when they have a special going on, but luxcurves.com, LUXX curves.com. It is the best. I swear by this item. And it took me a few trials and errors to get to this brand. Now, I'm short. I'm 5'2". I like to say I'm 5'2". Okay, I'm 5'2". And when you go on their website, they're going to ask you for your measurements. So you can have a short torso, a long torso, or a medium torso. Although I believe I am a short torso, I chose to get the long torso so it would do what? It would come down to my hip area and cover the little fupa that most of us have, fupas. And when I got the longer one, it came down. So when I put it on, it comes all the way above my pubic area. Again, this is the best that I have found on the market that you can wear under your clothes and no one will ever know that you have it on. Luxe Curves. Did you hear me, ladies? I can't say enough about Luxe Curves. Again, I bought all of these garments with my own money. I am not sponsored. I just love this product.